guys, today we see another array problem, smallest positive missing number. So let's start. Here we can see this is the given problem, and here it is given input like 2 minus 3 4 1 1 7. If we sort this, it should be minus 3 1 1 2 4 7. And if we find the missing one, then we got 3 5 and 6 missing in this array. So the smallest one is 3, so we return that value. So for that let's start the code. First we find the length of an array. Int n is equal to array dot length, and we using few steps we can find. First what we do, first we check if one is present. If one is present, then first we create one boolean, uh, and which contains, if we check if it is contains 1, then you return true, otherwise return false. So for that you use boolean contains 1 is equal to, initially it should be false, then we iterate the for loop I array. We check if I is equal to I is equal to 1, then simply what we do, we make the contents 1 to false. Contents 1 is equal to true if it is, and what we do, break this, and again we check if not contains 1, then simply return 1. Return 1. This is check if 1 is present or not. The next step, what we do, step 2, replace the number if the number less than equal to 0 or greater than the size of the array to 1. Replace the number if it greater than less than equal to 0 or greater than size, uh, array dot size of array, size of with 1. So let do that. For int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and here we check if array of I less than equal to 0 or array of I greater than size of the, what is the size of the array, means length of the array is n, and if it is greater than length, then simply array of I is equal to 1. Then third condition is check, mark the present using negative. So mark present using negative marking. So for that same, we start in iterate for loop from I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and here what we do, create one int val is equal to whatever we got here. You can see this number is negative. So for that we find the absolute value of that negative number. So for then we write math dot absolute array of I and array of val minus 1 is equal to minus math dot absolute. Here we also find array of val minus 1. Now the fourth one is find the first index that positive. The first index, smallest index that positive. So for that, for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, what we do? Okay, what we do here? Check if array of current element greater than 0, if array of I greater than equal to 0, then simply return I plus 1. Now last what we do? We simply return n plus 1. Let's run this. Let's see. Here, let's see it is working or not. Yeah, it's working fine. Let's submit this. Here we can see some yeah, we can see all the test cases pass. It is working fine. That's all. Thank you.